Guys, my name is TY Software. Today I'm going to teach you how you can clean your cooling fan with your system. As you can see there's a dust in air. Don't matter my camera. As you can see, there's a little dust air in air. What are things you get, like materials you need to use, like cotton wool, like this. Cotton wool, the one we use to clean our ears, and some engineer needs to clean the ICs board. So you got this one, then fan and the oil. I use this as my oil, so you can see I'm applying it in there right now. As you can see, it's in air release. So if you find it's too much, you can just take it away a little bit. You just have to maybe soak it in the while. So this is what you do next. You put it in air like this. See that? So the one we do right now is we need to spin it, rotate it like 360, just to clean what dust inside in under. So turn like this. You see that? So turn it like this. Turn it back as well. Make sure it's been cleaned well. You see that? So there's some edges in here. So clean out as well. So spin it 360 clockwise as well. So when it's done with that, so as you can see, dot has been here in my cotton wool. So the next one is that you're going to put it here like this. So you turn it 360 like this. So as you can see, the stick of the cotton wool is bigger than some holes in the fan, the cooling fan. So make sure you clean it very well. So it will look like it's a new cooling fan. So as you can see, you see the air. So these are the dirty things in there. You can see it's been clean now. So it remains those holes here. So if you can just change to the other side. So let's look at this one. Use the other side as well. Just watch my step by step and apply your own logic. Doesn't matter you do the way I do it, but don't do it to make your system feel good or feel fine. So clean this way. So I'm cleaning it O by O. As I'm cleaning it, I'll be spinning it like this. So just watch this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to improve others to watch it as well. Make sure you comment if you don't get it, what I do. And you have another option. You can comment as well, just for others to grab it. You understand? We are all here in this world to learn. One is above the island. So clean this way as well. This is how you clean the holes after the order. Like that. Oh, you can see my down floor here. And this thing is more expensive than to fall from this store. I use this system for live streaming, so I have to do a personal maintenance. This to reduce me from referring from all those engineers to my engineer. And then I know about system, that's the first thing I learned. So I know about phones. So after you clean that, they just waste our much time. So there's some little dust in there. As you can see, there's little dust. What we have to do next is you can just find the tools like a flat one or the tiny pieces of a something. Just make sure you clean it in there. Or you use it fist, or you use a napkin or a towel like this handkerchief now. So just apply there. Make sure you apply some oil. I've applied some oil on this one already. So make sure you use it to clean in depth. So today this is how I'm gonna end this video because we're running out of time. Have a good time and happy new year. Bye. Peace out.